Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access invite-only scripts on TradingView in 2026. Now, invite-only scripts are the private indicators or the strategies that you can't search and add normally. You can only access them if the script owner is going to give you the permission for that. So in order to access the script from the owner, you need the script creator to invite your TradingView username. So you need to send them your TradingView profile username and ask them to add you to the invite list. Without their approval, the invite only scripts will never show up for you, even if you have the link. So once you have it, once the creator has invited you for the script, you just have to come here on TradingView. Afterwards, simply hover over to the products, then click on the option of super charts. It is going to launch any of the charts in front of you. It really doesn't matter here. So on this particular chart, click on the option of indicators on the top. After that, in the indicators, you will see the option of invite only. When you click on it, you are going to see all of the private scripts that you have been granted access to. Now you just have to click on the script name and it will be added to your chart. Now, if you still don't see it here in this particular list, the most common issue is you are logged into the wrong TradingView account. So you need to double check your username. After that, you need to simply refresh your TradingView and you can just simply log out of your TradingView account and log in again. Many times the script appears after a refresh, and that's it. That's how you can get access to the invite only scripts on TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.